Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a very quick update after I got everything put back together yesterday. As I mentioned in the previous video, the actuator pin, and I'll put a link in the description for where you can buy that, but the actuator pin was in fact the culprit, and I'll put the key in here just to kind of show you. So I'm going to go ahead and crank it and watch how far forward this goes in the spring back. And no lights on the dash, which is good. So if you notice that when I was going forward yesterday with this, it would go forward and it would actually go all the way here, and it would only turn maybe another maybe an eighth of a turn, if that, and there was no spring to it at all. Now all of the spring is back. So that actuator that's down here, that pin that I replaced, that definitely was the issue with the crank on the Jeep. So now that I've got that settled, I can move on to replacing the radiator. That I actually got from Rock Auto, but you can buy it all over the place. I did it from Rock Auto because I was buying a whole bunch of different things. And so I've got that coming. That's going to be replaced. I'm going to, of course, do a tune-up on it, oil filter, all that stuff. I am going to run some flush through both the fuel as well as the oil to flush that out. I'm also, even though the radiator's leaking, I'm going to do a flush on the radiator. I bought a can of some flush just to flush out anything that's left there. Do a good cleaning on everything, pressure wash everything, including put some more degreaser on the engine, kind of get rid of some of the old oil and crud. But overall, I really could not be more pleased. I'm so glad that the computer got my main issue fixed, and from here on out, I'm hoping that it's just going to be minor things. I've still got to get things like the struts for the hood, and fix my issue that I have with the door electrics not working. I did have one issue with this mirror here. Inside of here, the breakaway mechanism, all this is it's a piece of plastic. It's a plastic hinge, and underneath here there's a cap. You can actually maybe see it there. There's a cap right here that pops off. That was completely broken, so this mirror just flopped all over the place. So what I did was I just epoxied it. It's gonna break probably at some point, maybe get hit, but I'm not particularly concerned about that. I'm just gonna go ahead and not worry about it. I've just epoxied it, and at some point I'll look to see what I can do to replace the mirror. But anyway, that's an update on the starting problem. More videos to come after I do the maintenance and everything. We'll get this thing nice and cleaned up. I am looking for probably another set of wheels, because as you can see, the coating's actually peeling off here. So I'm looking for another set of wheels and tires, because these are, at least some of them are dry rotted. But stay tuned, please like, share, and subscribe, and there'll be more content coming.